Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Twitter ad on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the advertising section you can find the Twitter ad option. Just select one and click to the Use this template button. If you want to add pictures to your project, go to the photo section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete or change this text. In the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add graphic elements to your project, go to the object section, and here you can find different elements which created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animations, go to the animations button, and here you can find different animations. In the video section you can search or upload videos, and in the music section you can find different songs, and if you want to add, just select one and click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.